Hi, I'm going to show you some high school placement test info. One of the questions might be something like, what is K in this situation? Well, if it was 30 equals 5K, most of us can say, well, 5 times something. How about 5 times 6? So K equals 6. It's kind of easy when there's only one letter. But in here, we just say, okay, what's the opposite of multiplying by 5? I'm going to divide by 5, divide by 5. Those cancel. K equals A over 5. Well, that's easy. So when they do it this way, they just need you to get rid of what's on the bottom. Okay? So they're dividing by 7y. So that means we have to multiply on both sides. A equals 5K times 7y times 7y on both sides. And so the 7y that's down here, those cancel. So now I have 5k equals 7ya. Look at that. That sounds nice. So now I need to divide by 5, divide by 5. That disappears, and there's your answer. That's essentially how they get the answer here. You move this over by multiplying 7y on each side. And then because we've got 5 times k, I've got to divide by 5 on both sides. And so that's why k equals 7ya times 5. I divide by 5. That's a problem from the high school placement test. And that's a key word. Many of these, even if you got a high score, they might not take you at the school because they're looking on more. This is a placement test. It just tells them where you're located. And it might be they need somebody who's kind of in the middle. Doesn't need to have really high scores. They just want to know that you've got enough, right? So if there are some problems here that you don't understand, great. You'll get them next year. It's okay.